Dear student, welcome in Pandey's tutorial classes. Today we have a new topic from our subject biology, and this quiz consists 20 questions and each question have 4 options. So let us start the quiz. The topic is from biology as a woman begins from a life process for class 10. So start the quiz. First question of the quiz is, in which group of the organism the food material is broken down outside the body? Option: mushroom, green plant, amoeba. Yeast, mushroom, beard mold, paramecium, amoeba, caustic. Option D, caustic, lichen or tapeworm. The correct answer is B, yeast, mushroom and beard mold. Move to next question. Select the correct statement. Heterotropics make their food. Heterotropics utilize solar energy to make food. Heterotropics do not make their own foods. Heterotropics are capable to converting carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate. The correct answer, option number C. Heterotropic do not make their own food. Move to next question. Question number 3. Which of the following statement about autotropics are incorrect? They synthesize carbohydrates by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Option B. They store carbohydrate in the form of starch. Option C. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in the absence of sunlight. Option D. They form the first tropic level in the food chain. Option C is the correct answer of this question. Move to next question. Question number 4. Which of these reactions occur in the photosynthesis? Option A. Carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized. Water is reduced and carbon dioxide is oxide. Carbon dioxide and water are oxide. Option D. Carbon dioxide and water are reduced. So option D is the correct answer of this question. Move to next question. Question number 5. The question is, a few drops of iodine solution were added to a rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates rice water has complex proteins, simple proteins, starch and the fat. The correct answer is A, complex protein. Please like, subscribe and share among other friends. Move to next question. Question number 6. Which is the correct sequence? खाना पचने की इसमें से कौन सी करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है? तो ऑप्शन देखिए, पहले माउथ, स्टोमच, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ओसोफेगस और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. ऑप्शन नंबर बी देखिए, माउथ, ओसोफेगस, स्टोमच, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एंड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ऑप्शन सी है माउथ, स्टोमच, ओसोफेगस, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. ऑप्शन डी माउथ, ओसोफेगस, स्टोमच, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है ऑप्शन नंबर डी सही है, माउथ, ओसोफेगस, स्टोमच, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. एक पिक्चर देखिए, ये पिक्चर जो है वो हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का है. ओसोफेगस है, उस फूड आया, लिवर इंटेस्टाइन में गया, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन और एनस के थ्रू बाहर. तो मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. 7 क्या है? इफ सलेवरली एमल्सिस इज लैकिंग इन सलेवा, which of the event in the mouth will be affected? Proteins break down into amino acid, starch break down into sugar, fats break down into fatty acid and glucose or absorption of vitamin. Then the correct option of this question is option number B, starch break down into the sugar. So move to next question. Question number 8. And the question number 8 is, the inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from hydrochloric acid. Choose the correct one. ऑप्शन है म्यूकस, स्लेवली एमल्सिस, पेप्सिन एंड बाइल. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, म्यूकस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. विच पार्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्री कैनल रिसीव बाइल फ्रॉम लीवर्स? ऑप्शन है स्टोमच, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एंड ओसोफेगस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज a small intestine. Move to next question. Question number 10. In which part of alimentary canal food is finally digested? Option A large intestine, stomach. Option C mouth cavity and small intestine. The correct answer is D, small intestine has the finally digested food. Move to question number 11. Question number 11. Choose the function of pancreas juice फॉर फॉलोइंग? ऑप्शन है ट्रेप्सिन डाइजेस्ट फ्रूटीन एंड लिपिज डाइजेस्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ट्रेप्सिन डाइजेस्ट इमल्सिफाइड फैट्स एंड लिपिज डाइजेस्ट फ्रूटीन, ट्रेप्सिन एंड लिपिज डाइजेस्ट फैट्स, and option D, trypsin digest fruitin and lipids digest emulsified fats. Then the correct answer of this question is option B, trypsin digest emulsified fats and lipids digest protein. Move to next question. Question number 12. The correct sequence of anaerobic respiration. anaerobic respiration का correct sequence क्या है? ऑप्शन देखिए, ग्लूकोज, पायरुवेट, लैक्टिक एसिड. ऑप्शन बी है ग्लूकोज, पायरुवेट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इथेनॉल, ग्लूकोज, पायरुवेटिक एसिड और लैक्टिक एसिड. ऑप्शन डी है ग्लूकोज, पायरुवेट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इथेनॉल और एनर्जी. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, ग्लूकोज चेंज इनटू पायरुवेट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इथेनॉल एंड एनर्जी. मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. And the question number 13 is the pancreas juice does not contain the following enzymes: trypsin, amylase, lipase or platinum. Option D is correct. Platinum is not consisted by the enzymes. The pancreas pour their secretion into, option है small intestine, large intestine, stomach or duodenum. The correct answer is D, duodenum. Move to next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. The kidneys in human beings are a part of, option है nutrition, respiration, extraction और circulation. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सर्कुलेशन. याद कीजिए क्लास 10 में ये सब सारे आप पढ़ चुके हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है द ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ अ स्टोमचल पोर्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन ऑक्सीजन, वाटर इन गेट सेल, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन स्टोमाटा और टेम्परेचर. The correct answer is option number D, temperature. Temperature is depend upon the pores of opening and closing grid. Move to the question. Question number 17. In the human digestive system, the enzyme pepsin and trypsin are secreted by pancreas and liver, pancreas and gallbladder, stomach and pancreas and stomach and salivary glands. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, stomach and pancreas. Move to next question. Question number 18. Which of the statements is correct regarding by secreted by duct and stored in liver? Option B, secreted by liver and stored in bile duct. Option C, secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder. ऑप्शन डी, secreted by gallbladder and stored in liver. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट, secreted by liver and stored in bile duct. So move to next question. Question number 19. Question number 19. Which of the following components of food is digested by amylases? ऑप्शन है proteins, fats, minerals and carbohydrate. The option number C is the correct. Mineral is a component which emulsify by the foods. Question number 20. And the 20 consists where are proteins first digested? Option है small intestine, stomach, large intestine and mouth. The correct option is C, large intestine. In large intestine the first protein has digested.